Mortgage demand is down, but the housing market values are very steady. These are some of the articles today we're going to go over in Real Estate Daily. Hello, everyone. My name is Troy from the House Heroes, and every day we go over the latest news in real estate, mortgage, and the housing market. Now, before we jump into these articles, I want you to go hit that subscribe button. I would definitely appreciate it. And if you like the content, hit that like button. But if you don't like the content, leave a comment below. I'm more than happy to hear what everyone has to say. I'm boots on the market, so I deal with here in Southern California, buyers and sellers, which I have both of right now, and I'm gonna give you my opinion as well as these articles. Let's just jump into it now. Here's my girlfriend, Diana Olick. Got that smile. CNBC, it says total mortgage demand declines 2.3%, the lowest in 22 years. Now, here in Southern California, we're seeing mortgage demand, it's strong. But what I don't see and what I keep seeing on CNBC and other news outlets is that the new builders keep declining rapidly. And I think that one of the big reasons why we're seeing mortgage demand decline is because new home builders and their mortgage companies are not creating mortgages and any kind of demand. They're not actually taking applications. And with that being said, they're dragging it down a little bit. Now, I said this yesterday as well. If you look at new builds versus resale, what is the percentage between the two? Now, new builds they're only 10% of the entire real estate market, yet they're getting so much headlines right now, so much negative headlines. They are there for profit, period, no question asked. But sellers out there on resale homes, they're selling their homes for many reasons, of which profit is extremely low on that totem pole. So that's why we're seeing this decline. That is my opinion. Let's go on the next one. Another CNBC article here that says we haven't yet seen prices dropping compared to a year ago, says Anywhere Real Estate CEO. Well, I don't know where Anywhere is at. I kind of know where Anywhere is at, but I never heard of Anywhere Real Estate. Now, what we're seeing, and we continue to see this, year over year, we're still strong. As of the numbers I seen last, we were about 20% up year over year. That's still a huge, increase. And when people are saying that the housing market's in a recession, the numbers don't show it. It's just last month or the month before. It's not a recession, meaning that values of homes have decreased less than people purchased last year. We're not even close to that number at this point. So I still think that the economy is really strong. I know that the CPI number that comes out, 33% is based on shelter, and that number is 5.7%. Any economist who looks at the CPI laughs at that number. There is nothing out there that supports it. Everything has been going up. Year over year, the National Association of Realtors came out and said we're up 19.7% year over year. That's on sales. Now, if we go look at rents are up right around 12.5%. We don't know where 5.7% is. It sounds like a suppressed number to me, and that's why we're still, I think, in a big inflationary issue. And that leads us into our next article here at CNBC. Fed sees interest rate hikes continue until inflation eases substantially. Minute show. I have screamed this from the rooftops. I'm telling people, do not FOMO into the narrative. It's just going to get rug pulled. Everybody that I know, all my friends are in crypto. Oh, crypto's back. Crypto's happening right now. The stock market's blowing up. It's gone up. We're just almost at our all-time highs. I'm saying this cannot be the shortest bear market of all time. And then what scared me over the weekend is I'm seeing people FOMO into meme coins and crypto, Shiba Inu and Doge. Guys, that is the indication that the big whales out there, the JP Morgans, the Black Rocks, they're gonna pull the rug from underneath you, and they're gonna take your money and short you all the way down to the depths of hell. And I've seen it happen before. We are not in a positive environment right now. We're in 8.5% inflation, 40-year highs, and people are celebrating like it is 1999. Prince. Let's move on. But if you want to park money somewhere, now this is the paradise you want to jump in. This is Yahoo News. A private island in the Caribbean Sea is on sale for less than average home house in America. This is an island off of Nicaragua. It's called Iguana Island. It has a couple of houses on it. It has a dock. You could put a helicopter pad on it. Boy, this is a party pad. Now, for me, I'm not sure hurricanes roll right through the peninsula here, and I just would scare me a little bit. Tropical weather, I see that happens, so that would scare me a little bit. There's nowhere to take your little boat and get out of here if it gets really bad. But here's some of the pictures of the property. I'm assuming it has a well for fresh water. I didn't see solar panels, but I'm sure to get electricity, you have a solar panels. We have a generator there as well, possibly. That's holding it, or what people say all the time, they have a power wall as well. So I thought this was a little bit cool. $475 buys you a little tropical paradise. You don't need to be a millionaire to have this, guys. Very cool. All right, let's jump into our rates here. Rates kind of bumped up a little bit, 5.4. We went up about 4 basis points on conventional. We look at 30-year fixed rate, another 30-year, FHA went up 4%. Big jump here is jumbo. I don't think they have any kind of idea. Jumbo just jumps. It's been just so volatile now for the past 2 weeks. You can't figure it out. It's just where a lot of people are parking their money. When they're looking at homes here in Southern California, jumbo rates are real big. I mean, they're jumbo, okay? And so the rates are just flying all over the place. Hopefully we're going to see some stability here coming up, but I think that the market turns negative. We're going to see rates kind of move up. If they feel that the Fed is going to raise rates by 75 basis points in September, I think these rates are going to jump, and they're going to jump high, because no one in the stock market, the bond market, or the crypto market is putting that in perspective. They just think the good times are back, and a recession means Fed print money and lower rates, and that is not going to happen. They've never said that, and it's just, a narrative is not there, guys. Well, again, if you have any comments, you want to debate me, or you want to agree with me, or you have your own opinion, please leave it below in the comment section. Otherwise, guys, you have a fantastic day, and I will see you on Thursday.